Hello Sicilian and welcome to another exciting episode of Sicilian TV.
This is Sicilian Bulletin and here we bring you the latest and the greatest from our BNI chapters.
I am Dr. Meet Ramatri from BNI Anthropos.
And I am Dhruv Majmudar from BNI Magnus. We have a lineup of incredible stories which will entertain you as well as impress you. So let's get started.
First up, let's celebrate the networkers of the month. A big congratulations to Mr. Nishit Kumar Patel from BNI Drogon for inviting 9 visitors and Mr. Amit Chopra for generating thank you slip TYFCB of worth 11 crore 79 lakh 29,594. Outstanding work.
Well, that's impressive. Keep up the great work, great networking and bring more visitors and more business to our BNI chapters.
And now on to the winners of CMI video contest. Many congratulations and round of applause for BNI Vinci for becoming the first runner-up and BNI Obsidian for second runner-up.
One tight slap. Self-made entrepreneurs की कहानी. हर लड़ाई, हर संघर्ष और हर संग्राम को इसी रास्ते से होके गुजरना पड़ता है.
लड़की को पढ़ाने में इतना पैसा क्यों खर्चा कर रहे हो?
धंधा तू बस जॉब कर, धंधा तेरे बस की बात नहीं है मेरे दोस्त.
कंपनी बनाएगा. फर्दर स्टडीज करनी है. चल
हमको जॉब ही सूट करती है. छोटे शहर से एमबीए करके आया है.
2-4 फाइनेंस की बुक क्या पढ़ ली? बिजनेस को निर्मला सीतारमन समझने लगी हो?
लो बोलो.
तुम पार्ट टाइम जॉब ही करेगी और कुछ नहीं, उससे ना हो पाएगा.
बे मार्केट की हालत तो देख यार.
तहजीब में रहो और झुक के रहो.
धंधा चालू रहे तो हैवे ही कट जाएगा.
अगर कटने का डर होता तो पतंग नहीं उड़ाता, फिर की पकड़ता.
मैं वो हर सोच को तोड़ूंगी जो मुझे झुकाने की कोशिश करती है और जो सोचते हैं
मुझसे ना हो पाएगा.
किसी का हाथ नहीं चल रहा पर यहाँ पर आया खुद की मेहनत से मैं. जितनी ताकत किस्मत में नहीं उतनी रहमत में है. फिर भी लड़का सहमत नहीं है क्योंकि हैरत नहीं है. जरूरत यहाँ मर्जी की और जरूरत की है. तकत की है, आफत की, हिमाकत की, इबादत की, अदालत ये है चाहत की, मोहब्बत की, अमानत की, जीतने की, आबादत की, शोहरत की. अब लालच नहीं है तेरे भाई जैसा कोई हाड़िच नहीं है. अब हौसले से जीने दे, अब खौफ नहीं है सीने में. हर रास्ते को चीरेंगे, हम कामयाबी छीनेंगे. सब कुछ मिला पसीने से, मतलब बड़ा अब जीने में. क्यों? क्योंकि अपना टाइम आएगा.
ये थे विंची के 2 credible members with their incredible stories. We have more diamonds in Vinci. Come. We are proud to have such credible and hardworking professionals as a part of our incredible chapter, BNI Vinci, the Invincible. This is the incredible success story of Rachit and Sneha.
My dream, my destiny, my success, my ambitions, my vision, my achievements, my goals. These were once mine alone, but today, my has become ours. We are one community, one tribe, working towards a common goal, helping each other grow personally and professionally through this fantastic community, while building strong relationships and trust. Your business thrives not just on how many people know you, but on how they know you. Isn't that the truth? In our community, we have members who have grown their businesses to crores. We have members who have expanded their geographic reach. We have members who have launched new verticals. We have many such success stories. For instance, Vatsal, a professional modeling and wedding photographer, found himself with some free slots. After attending one of our gatherings, he closed multiple business deals within the community. This success inspired him to start a fully equipped commercial photography studio, and now he is leading the market. Subhash, who was already successful in land development, became more successful with more business just by shaking hands with members from real estate category within this awesome community. Sandeep, an event planner, has closed 4 times more of his business within the first year with this tribe and is truly expanding his network through the community. There were people who used to walk into this room alone, but now they are collaborating for new ventures. There is no end to such success stories. I would love to say, as one tribe, one community, one family, we have achieved this by increasing our visibility through each other's networks, by actively participating in meetings, sports events, business events, cultural events, and more. And you know what? Most importantly, we are focused on personal development, how we talk, how we handshake, how we pitch, all of which are crucial since it's very practical that your business growth is equally proportional to your personal growth. This is what BNI Obsidian is all about.
Excellent work showcasing the spirit of BNI.
Next, BNI celebrated Kids Day, where kids represented their parents' businesses in their weekly presentations.
It was heartwarming to see kids representing their parents' business with super confidence.
And BNI audiences took it to the another level. They did kids plus family to strengthen our BNI community.
Wow. So talking about celebrations, let's move on to some exciting activities done by chapter members. So BNI Magnus celebrated box cricket tournament for the members.
That's right. With 6 teams competing over 4 weeks, it was celebrated as a fun entertainment sports month by the chapter.
Wow, what a great way to bond with healthy competition. Now let's highlight the fantastic group one-to-one activity from BNI Anthropos. Mr. Prakash Kannara took an initiative and the group one-to-one turned out to be an amazing episode for TYFCBs. This exemplifies the motto that keep your eyes open, the opportunities are all around you.
During one of their group one-to-one sessions, Prakash Kannara and other members brainstormed about idea of a power date group. This platform encouraged the members to connect each other with potential clients and other businesses, and the results were remarkable.
Absolutely. For instance, Aditi Shah secured business worth 9 crores for her HVAC, and Ashka Tripathi secured 12 crores of business for electrical units. The total potential order value from these meetings reached up to 50 to 60 crores. It is amazing.
The motto is simple. By exploring each other's networks and actively seeking for opportunities, you will surely get what you want. And simple meetings like this can be turned into a business deal achievement. Moving on, we have another great story from BNI Poseidon.
Yes, indeed. Mr. Bhupendra C. Chavda from BNI Poseidon attended office inauguration of Mr. Shivbhadra C. Mr. Shivbhadra C introduced him to a builder who needed a project finance for a new project.
This by chance meeting turned into 1 crore of business for Bhupendra C from 50 crores of the loan for the builder. Just another example of power of networking and just showing up.
Dhruv, do you know any incredible collaboration story from BNI Colossus?
Yes, I do. Himani Mehta from BNI Colossus, a calligraph and engraving artist, Milan Bochiwal from BNI Artemisia during MSP training. They discovered their businesses complemented each other perfectly. Milan connected Himani to Grishma Shah from BNI Youth, who is into live perfume making. This connection led to an amazing collaboration where Himani does live on-site calligraphy and engraving on the various surfaces like glassware and perfume bottles. Together, they offer unique and personalized experience at the events. Isn't that truly incredibly creative?
I want to be surrounded by cars. I want to become a successful entrepreneur where I can operate my business from home and my customers can easily order my cosmetic products online through Marketplace.
Yes!
That's truly inspiring. Talking about MSP training, over 300 members attended the recent session in person. With this number of people working on upgrading their skills, we are sure to see many more such powerful collaborations in future.
On that note, BNI Obsidian recently organized a Mega Visitors Day with over 20 visitors and 20 crores of business in past year with one new induction.
A special thanks to our BNI regional team members, the launch and support directors, Mr. Abhay Asnani and Mr. Dinesh Lani from BNI Colossus and Mr. Gaurang S. Dave from BNI Fosters for being present on the day and for your invaluable guidance and support for the event.
If you have any chapter milestone or member achievements, please get in touch with us so we can feature you here.
So thank you for tuning in and stay inspired, stay connected. Signing off for this time, but stay tuned for the next time. Do not forget to subscribe our channel Sicilian TV on YouTube. Signing off, Dr. Meet Ramadri from BNI.
So much for that from BNI. Keep thriving.